Kwa dhibele ni mane enjalo jatan pinya Rigathi Gachagua kwaro jatendo ODM Raila Amolo Odinga ayudwaro ni luong lalruok e pachoka ma onywando jokanyo duto kaka yotieko midhiero masani okwako piny Kenya. Gachagua wacho ni mano en yo matemo thiro chenro mag sundo jatend piny Kenya William Ruto owuoge telo kokalo e yiero maduong'. Gachagua oloso kanyo chope kanisa mar Seattle e piny mar America.
Bwana Raila Odinga, before you tell us to enter into new dialogue with William Ruto, you entered dialogue with him called NADCO. It has not yet been implemented. Now you want us to start a new one. The other day after you lost the AU chairmanship, you entered into MOU with him for a 10-point agenda. Among the things you agreed is that no abductions, no killings. They have now increased instead of being stopped. You agreed that governors will be given 450 billion. That has not happened. So the two dialogues you have done with William Ruto, none has been implemented. Now you want us to go into a third one. It is simply a strategy